Model 2017 Renault Master Lm35 B-Ness 2.3 DCI Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 188957 MOT, the 29th of March 2024 engine, 2298 CCM 90 145 Energy E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine seized and been removed engine gearbox and all parts are back of the van. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074